How to fix bezel not working Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix Galaxy Watch 6 bezel not working. If the rotating bezel on your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic isn't working, you could try updating the watch software and a wearable app. If the problem persists on, you could also try cleaning the bezel with electric contact cleaner or attempting to factory reset. Now, first thing, you could go ahead and check for a software update. Ensure your watch is running the latest software and wearable app on your phone is updated as well. Then a simple restart can often solve your problem as well. You could try that as well. If not, you could also verify the turn bezel to make and bezel-related settings are enabled in the watch settings as well. You could also use a can of electrical contact cleaner to clean and lubricate the bezel. They should be able to help you out. If not, as a last resort, consider a factory reset, but be aware that there will be an erase of all your data, so you want to make sure to back it up, or you want to actually consider this. If nothing seems to be working out, then contacting a support team is likely to help you out. So you want to go to the browser and type in contact Galaxy Watch 6, and then you could go ahead and make sure to state about the issue, and they should be able to help you out. So these are some of the tips in order to fix your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.